Yo, what you saying, boys? In the last episode, we did the Dexter Morgan style in Germany, Berlin. Now we're gonna do China. Wait, no, we're not gonna do China. We are going to do what map haven't I haven't done. Ha. Wait, no. Now we do India. Let's do India. Let's go. Start with here. And hold on. Smuggled item. I need to hand it in the Rangan Tower. Wow. Construction site. Man needs the assault rifle on that in case things doesn't go to plan. Grammatically. All my life the Maelstrom is just taking the mick. In the last video, which was over a year ago, in India, we did this, and now we're gonna do it again because it's been New Year and there is no excuse and blah blah blah, and we're just gonna stream. I don't know. I know the drill. Oh shit. Hostile area.
I cannot believe they
Where
asked
is it? Is it? No, that's the lead pipe. Take it.
But the queen wanted it.
Let's go. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Oh, wait. Where the fuck is it? This is annoying, man. I threw it here, and I think it might be, or maybe on the other side. Maybe, I don't know. I think it might be on the other side. Ha, yeah, I threw it too far. Well, we're gonna do the same drill as last year, but with a little bit of a twist. Where the flip is this train? Okay. Let's just sit down and wait. Waiting. Where the fuck is that train? Might be here. Let's just keep it like that in case, you know. Huh. I can hear it. I think. I think I can hear it. It might be here. And my thinking is right. It is here. Let's go. Yes. Yes. Come on. Boom. Let's go. I'm gonna enjoy the sights. My bad, innit? Now, let's kill the Bollywood producer. I don't know how I can get this ladder down. Oh, good, because I need that soon. In case I need it.
This is ridiculous.
I need a brick.
Listen, I'm telling you the truth here. Maelstrom left Mumbai.
Assassin? Who? Me? I don't even know how to. Never mind. Nothing to see here. It's not like I'm I need a brick. Hold on, mission stories in case. Is there any mission stories? No, there's not. Okay, cool.
You need a ride, sir?
Nothing to see here. You know what? Fuck it. I don't even care, to be honest. I'm gonna infiltrate this how I want to infiltrate this. Please tell me I got the yes, I got the fish on me. Any cameras? Any kind of thing? Yes. Camera destroy. Privacy, please.
Hello?
Ooh, I like cut
You
heat.
can't throw that.
What the fuck? Is that a witness? Come on. How did you even hear that? Okay.
Wow. No.
On
Wait.
my life,
I
yeah.
want to see what happens.
Shut up. They're not gonna do shit. I haven't seen it. And now, privacy please. Let's go. Oh shit, that was close. Anyone here? No? Shut up. Dump. Boom. Ooh, I like your cut, G. Never gets old. Now there's even more bodies down here. That's good, because I might need them for disguise. Alright. Go upstairs now. Oh my days, this is straight out of Mission Impossible. Oh my life, this is epic.
A little higher up than I'm used to. True. Rats.
Shut up. How many bodies did I dump here? 3. Oh my days, oh my life, this is crazy. Hold on, I need to go this way here. I need to shoot down there. Now, time for the maelstrom to end.
Don't get me started.
All I remember is the maelstrom should be in a private meeting. At least no one saw me doing what I did with the ladder. Because if I did, I'm cooked. Literally. I need to go back near that train station or whatever.
Looking like a
That's not true. What I'm saying is that I think we should.
There it is. Time to go up the ladder. Oh,
Is it really necessary to have all you people
stationed around here? I told him, and I've told you. I can take care of myself. You're scaring the neighbors.
समझो ना
Why are you gonna come here? Now they're not gonna find this body, and that's a good thing. So now nobody shall know my next step. I'm supposed that there's a few guards upstairs.
I know we're supposed to raise the flag when this Neha lady tells us, but how is he going to see it from the slums?
I don't know.
One sec. Sorry, I was just dealing with some technical issues.
Everywhere, you know.
Disguise this. I need to hide this body somewhere. Ah, I'm lucky that there's cupboards here. The reason I'm talking like this because I believe it's the middle of the fucking night. Good, more ammo. I'm supposed that a man should be coming upstairs or something. I wonder who's that. Alright, I think I got like a good shot. Maybe not. Huh. Someone is coming upstairs. Alright, after this, there's no going back. Where is this man going?
Oh, you're early.
Let's go! About time. Looks like the ghost got ghosted. Oh, there's even more fish. Nah, fuck that, I'm keeping it for a souvenir. Let's go! Did I win anything? Alright, I'm gonna end it here. Anyway guys, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and if you want to see me play for more Hitman videos, just do what I just said. And yeah, I'm gonna end it here. Peace my bros, have a good one.